Hi minions, how's everybody doing today? Welcome to Mom's Vlog 80. Today I'm here at beautiful PineCrest Lake. This is my home lake. I've been coming here since I was a child, a very young child. I've camped here for many years. This is all in the forest and mountains. I'm here today just because I really need to get out in nature, just breathe in some serenity, find some peace within myself. And I just want to share with you guys my childhood, also just reminiscing on bringing Elijah here. We went on boats with him out in this lake. We camped with him here at PineCrest, and I just want to reminisce some good times that we've had and our times past. And it's just one of those days where I really need to be out here today. So I hope you guys come along and join along with me in this beautiful nature hike that I'm about to embark, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you press subscribe for our daily vlogs, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. what it's about right here. Got a little emotional. Sorry for the wind. It's kind of windy up here. It's just absolutely breathtaking where I live. I feel so blessed to be where I'm at. My parents raised me here. The dam's not going right now, but there's the creek where the water would run into. Good fishing down there when they let the water go. Usually, I don't know if you can see my finger, usually the water gets up pretty high. See that like white line across the rocks over there? That's how high the water gets. So there's pretty good fishing, but they don't want you fishing from the dam. You'd have to walk all the way down that way. There's like little trails to go all the way down there. So, alright, I'm headed on back home. I just really needed this today. This was great. Sometimes I just gotta get away and just breathe. Such a beautiful day. I know that Elijah loved nature. He loved being out at beaches and the lakes. It was his favorite. He loved nature. He took after me because that's me. I love nature. And so it was very emotional for me to be out there and just reminisce in some of the good times from my childhood to Elijah and Cayden's childhood to just family times that we had there at PineCrest. And it's just, I love just being out in nature. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, thumbs up. And don't forget to press that red subscribe button down below. Become part of the Mainville Minion family here on YouTube. And I want to say hello to all the new subscribers. You are now part of this Mainville Minion family here. And we will see you guys all tomorrow. I love you so much. Ciao. Bye.